How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section of home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Yorkshire. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back showcasing a great model by the name of the Yorkshire. For those of you that are subscribed, like you should be, you know that this is a great model for those of you that are in the market to downsize, but you do not want to go all the way down to a 399 square foot tiny home. This is the sweet spot. It's a mid-sized cottage, or a single section as we call it here at Recreational Resort Cottages, coming in at around 600 square feet, one bedroom, one bath, packed with tons of character inside and out. And speaking of outside, you'll see the dimensions of this model as showcased today is 14 feet wide, 62 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch and 10-foot rear deck. I just had to throw in a 10-foot rear deck because I can. So I wanted to showcase that option to you for those of you that are currently in the market. And again, yes, I am correct in saying this is a 14-foot wide single section home. It's very rare that we have that width, but this is for the individuals that are looking to have a quaint and cozy cottage and do not want the larger width. They want something very easy to place on a property, very convenient to move it in as it is needed. So 14 feet wide feels so much larger on the way that we displayed it today. And starting here on the exterior, you'll see that we have great color contrast by keeping it neutral. And what we've done so today with doing that is adding a gray base, and you'll see a reserved white trim around your doors, windows, porch beam, as well as your post. We've topped it off with a Galvalume metal roof. So those of you, again, that are subscribed like you should be, know that that gives you 30 years of warranty on the roof. You've got 50 years of warranty on your siding, and we've even added the Coyote Gray composite Trex decking coming in at another 30-year warranty. You'll see here, the black iron rails offer maintenance-free living. I want you to enjoy the home. I don't want you to be repairing it. So when I sell it to you, I want you to not worry about the outside of this home and enjoy it for everything that it needs to be. And also look at the crow's foot beam there as well. That is a great option. And follow me up onto the porch, because again, when I tell you I want you to be able to showcase and actually enjoy this home's exterior, I mean it. I truly do. Or I wouldn't have thrown on this porch swing just for looks. Hey, this is where you can sit back, enjoy a nice cup of coffee, a glass of tea, bottle of water. You've got the options here where you can sit back and enjoy everything that the Yorkshire has to offer. And this 8-foot of front porch space is just the perfect fit. So you can see you got enough space here. You also have your window right there off the front end wall. You'll see it's already prepped for a ceiling fan there centered. It also has a can light on each side of the interior porch, offering that additional appeal. And then we have the 36-inch door here with the blinds and glass for your convenience. And as you come in, you'll see why this is a great model. Matter of fact, let me showcase quality. Where'd it go? That's the great thing about purchasing a home from Recreational Resort Cottages. I can sit there and yell at you outside all day long by one of the busiest highways in North Texas, or we can take it inside, so that way all of that goes away. So you can just imagine if you place this on your property, whether you have acreage, a lake lot, if you're putting it behind your main home on the property for guests, or a mother-in-law, father-in-law cottage, it's peace and serenity, but having your own space to incorporate at the same time. And what I love about the Yorkshire is, even with it being 14 feet wide, look how much space you have to accommodate here in the living area. We have a full-size, large and in charge sectional right here wrapping around this living room wall. You'll see that we have the transom windows, the triple transoms up top, bringing in some natural light, but perfectly executed by being raised, so that way it does not interfere with your couch space down below. So great options here. You could easily do the sectional like we've done today, or you can choose a couch, love seat combo, couple of recliners. You have those options. Again, you have the option here on the front wall where we placed a beautiful decor piece. Easily, you could sit there and choose to add your TV on this wall if you would like, because another great feature of having everything on this side is the money shot, as I call it, is right here. The triple picture windows with the triple transoms up above. So if you have a beautiful view to look out onto the property, this is where you want it showcased right here. So that way you can bring in all of that natural light. What's that you say? I hear somebody talking. I hear somebody run to the comments. Oh, vampires in the comments? Okay, don't want all the natural light, want a little bit darker? Yes, I can remove the windows for you. Shall you choose to omit one, or you want to omit all three, or omit two, leave all these out down below, just the three up top? You have the options. Or if you do not want any windows on this wall, Mr. Tiny can make that happen for you as well. So I just want to make sure that I can take care of you any way possible. Also, notice the flooring. This is Stratford flooring going from front to back of this model. There is no carpet in here, so it makes for ease of cleanup, whether you have pets or if you don't. And if you're going to accommodate guests, you need some seating space. So right here we have an island right here, perfectly situated, centered between your living room and kitchen area. I love that it has the Calcutta marble countertop going on top. You have the additional space open on the opposite side there for seating. You have all the additional area here that accommodates your electrical outlets. You also have all the additional storage on the front side. I love that because with it being storage on the front side, it's closest to your kitchen area where you can easily get to your drawer bank if you choose. You've got all your additional cabinets up top. We've chosen to add the black colored appliances in this model. Smooth top oven. We have the microwave up top. We have the Logic Bone backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet. We also kept that Calcutta marble going, and then we've topped it all off with the soft sand shaker cabinet. With that, it's a perfect mesh here, bringing out the tones and the veins in the countertop, whether that's through your black appliances or it's through your white backsplashing cabinets. Great features there. Also, because you have chosen to go to a Yorkshire model, which is a single section home, a mid-sized cottage, you get a full-size dishwasher. Yes, you have that automatically in your home as well. So we have that to match in black. Look at all this additional prep space. Look at all this additional cabinetry up top that you get to enjoy. And again, a lot of people ask all the time, Mr. Tiny, am I going to have enough outlets in my home? I don't know. Do you? This is just one area here in the kitchen. These are everywhere throughout the home. We are going to have outlets in the home anywhere, spaced out at your convenience. There are going to be more outlets than you possibly need, but it's better to have too much than what? Not enough. So as you come around here, you'll see that we have the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. We also have the additional storage up above the fridge as well. And then as we make our way down, you'll see we've added another window here off the side of the home just to bring in some natural light before you get to the hallway of the home. And as you follow me on down, you'll see here that you have your second exterior access. You have your front door here. You have one here off of the side, ease of access for you to get up out onto your property from the side. Also, you'll see here, door leading into the bathroom space. And I love this bathroom because it is perfectly situated for someone needing a one-bedroom home. And I'll showcase a few features why. You'll see here we have the banjo-style countertop in that Calcutta marble, the Logic Bone backsplash with 2 rows of tile going there. Also, the linen cabinet right here above your toilet. We have that in there. Soft close cabinets, might I add. Also, you'll see that we have the tile shower with glass door. We step in here. Again, if you subscribe like you should be, you'll know that I'm 6'1" of fun, and I'm able to accommodate in here very, very lovely. And then also the transom window there, bringing in some natural light. We have a can light here, just in case you're scared of the boogeyman when you're taking a shower. And then this Santa Fe coyote tile going throughout the shower in a horizontal pattern. Looks very, very luxurious. I love that as well. But before we go out of this bathroom, what is this, do you say, Mr. Tiny? This is a double door leading into what? Oh my goodness. Your washer and dryer space, conveniently located in the bathroom area of your home. So it's not a stackable, it's not out in the hallway. You have the space right here in the home for you to accommodate. So I love having that here, and you can keep it out of sight, out of mind by closing it back behind these double doors here. Great options right here in the Yorkshire. Now follow me back. You'll see that we have the door right here for your HVAC system. But let's take it into the bedroom. Again, I told you guys it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. You can see how much space that you have here, but look at this. We have the dual windows here, the picture windows down below, the transoms up top, because we want to keep that same aesthetic going from the living area into the bedroom. So we want to bring in that natural light where we can. Also, get a look up. We've given you a 3-blade ceiling fan in the living room. You've also got one in the bedroom to complement. Also, we have your TV jack here down below. So if you wanted to have this as your TV wall, have the opposite wall as the bed wall, that is your convenience, but you do have flexibility in this bedroom. Also, speaking of flexibility, you do not have to worry about your closet doors swinging into the bedroom, because we have the double barn doors. We have them right here, located lovely right here, so you can close it off for your privacy, or you can choose to open it up, and you've got tons of space here in this closet. You go all the way to the end, all the way to the opposite end. Also, your hot water heater is located in the closet behind a false wall. So you'll see it there. You won't be able to see it in this video, but trust me, it's behind there, and you can conveniently access it at your leisure. Also, you see this half moon door right here. This is a great option and giving you additional alternatives to exit the home. Again, I've showed you 2 exterior doors as well. Well, this makes 3 if you can count. So you'll see right here as we go outside, we go onto the 10-foot rear deck. So with that said, you'll see that we have plenty of space and opportunity to accommodate everything that you need to, including the additional bump out for your grill. It'll be where I put my grill at. Everybody get your grill on right here. I could put that there and have the space to accommodate it. Or it's just a great option if you wanted to add a jacuzzi. Now you're speaking my language as well. You've got the space and opportunity to do so. And this is a deck, so it's uncovered, so you can enjoy the elements when you are outside. If you want to go under a covered porch, then I've given you one on the front. But this rear deck offers ample living space on the outside of the home. So whether you want to chill on the front porch or chill on the back, you have the option. And then we've given you the coach light here. We have the screen door right here, as well as the entry back into your primary bedroom. So you see here, great functional floor plan, plenty of space, plenty of natural light bringing in to this home here. And as you'll see, we make our way back through, and you can see how this opens up so lovely. For being a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, only 600 square feet, this feels so much larger. This is an amazing floor plan that you can sit back and enjoy whenever you wish. If you choose to make the decision to call me right here at Recreational Resort Cottages, hit up Mr. Tiny, say, Mr. Tiny, I saw that Yorkshire with the front porch and the rear deck. I need it expeditiously. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send it to you expeditiously. So that's the way that we can make this happen for you and bring your downsizing and your cottage dreams to life. So if you enjoyed this video of the Yorkshire, please let me know. Again, the dimensions of this model is 14 feet wide, 62 feet long, including the 8-foot front porch and 10-foot rear deck. On sale today for $109K. So that is a great option, a great model for you if you're currently in the market and looking to downsize. Let me know right now by hitting that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, hit that notification bell. as well as subscribe. If you subscribe like you should be, you're part of the family. If you have not, do so right now. It doesn't cost you a dime, but a second of your time to show some support so that way we can keep these videos going each and every week. Also, please, if you are interested in this home, you want to hit me up right now by running over to Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Yorkshire as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.